hide the last sphere and name it mirror. Go ahead and assign a V-ray material to this one too. I'm naming mine mirror matte. This time, make the diffuse color completely white. I'm going to move the sphere to the back of the room so we can better visualize reflections. Make the reflection color white and the sphere starts to reflect its surroundings. Turn off use Fresnel and the sphere becomes super reflective. Now make the refraction color completely white and we've got ourselves a mirror. I'll admit that it's hard to see that this sphere is a mirror, so we're going to apply the mirror material to a planar object and see the effect. Create a cube from the poly modeling tab. Scale it so it becomes as flat as a plane. Alternatively, you can just create a plane from the poly modeling tab, whatever works for you. Position it at the entrance of the room, but make sure you don't block all the lights from coming through. Assign the mirror material to the plane. We immediately see a change in the viewport, which shows the plane as being very reflective. Let's see how this looks in real time. Okay, this looks good. We have successfully created a mirror material. You can see all the little spheres being reflected at the back of us. I'm going to delete the mirror sphere now since it's pretty much useless. We found a younger, more beautiful assets, I guess. So we are getting rid of the old. That's ageist, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to center the sphere in the room. Select all 4 spheres and press the space bar to open the 4-panel layout. I'm going to enable wireframe mode in the top camera panel so I can see where I'm placing my spheres. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, click on the perspective viewport and press the space bar to return to that view. Let's start up the IPR again and see how it looks. The scene looks a bit dark, but I don't want to increase the intensity of the dome light again. So let's just get rid of the cube's back face and see how it looks then. Much better. So we have 5 separate materials: the mirror, paper, water/wine, glass, and frosted glass. The frosted glass looks a bit off though, so let's increase the refraction glossiness to about 0.7, and yeah, much better. We've successfully created 5 refractive materials. This really is deja vu. I feel like I've said this before. Anyway, all too soon we have come to the end of the V-ray material series. We've learned quite a bit, I hope, about V-ray materials. The most important thing I like to stress is as long as you understand the parameters of the V-ray material, you should be able to create any material by just tweaking values. You don't have to memorize numbers to create good looking materials. And also, practice makes perfect. The more materials you create, the better you become at knowing what values make a material look good. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this series of videos, give me a like. Don't be scared, you're not going to hurt your thumb. If there's anything you liked or hated about this video, the comment section is all yours. I'd like to hear from you. I also really need the engagement because validation. The next series of videos is going to be about all the different types of lights and how to light up a scene properly using both Maya's camera and the V-ray physical camera. So stay tuned if you want to catch that video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe already or don't, your choice. Or is it really?